Hello everybody, we're going to do a quick little unboxing. I swore I would never buy brand new from another manufacturer, and I wanted to add a second station or have a backup, so I purchased this off of the eBay. I just wanted also to tear it down, so see the build quality, see if it's got the same build quality as their other garbage. But we're going to open this up, see what's inside. What do we have? We've got bubble wrap and more bubble wrap. So, washer's off balance. So, let's see what this is. Looks like they use JLC PCB or something. Real thick bubble wrap. Oh, look at that. That's a JBC. It's an older stand without missing the feet, but I don't care. See if the screw heads are keyed up. Couldn't tell on the listing. I will plug this in and check it and see if it works. But there's not much that can go wrong with these. But I'm going to crack it open, show you the inside of it on another video. I don't want to crack open my one I've been using for about a year now. And it also came with another T245A. Hopefully this works too. It looks like it'll plug right into this stand here. So I'll plug this all in and see if it works. And for the price, I was like, yeah, why not? There's nobody bid on it, and I just bid the minimum, and I won it. So I have to figure out the feet situation. But that's a quick little unboxing of a used JBC 80 SE stand and a T245A from the eBay. We'll catch y'all later.